It's my understanding the defendant is waiving her right to a preliminary examination at this time. People have no objection.
Yes, Your Honor, I discussed the matter with my client and gave her, she has a right to a preliminary examination. And that after discussion, matter we're waiving the examination this time. Have the case filed over to circuit court for trial or other disposition.
All right, so Ms. Bruckner, I will read to you that you do have the right to a preliminary examination where it must be shown that a crime was committed and that probable cause exists to charge you with the crime. By waiving means now it is your choice that you voluntarily waive your right to a preliminary exam and understand that you will now be bound over to circuit court on the charges in the complaint and warrant. And you agree with that as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court then determines the waivers to be, or the waiver to be knowingly, voluntarily, understandably provided. Present the bind over for the defendant's signature.
A referee reflect, I've gone over the waiver of examination for my client. Both have signed same.
Is there anything further from the people?
Nothing further from people.
Anything further from the defense?
Your Honor, we're going to ask the court if the court could ask pretrial services for an update. I won't address the issue of bond here, but just if we could have an updated report, so maybe it would address it in circuit court.
What has changed since the one that
Well,
was
it's been-
provided earlier?
It's been close to 9 months to a year that she's been incarcerated this time. Just asking for an update so I can address that at a later time.
For the report and recommendation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Thank you. No bond. Bay County, let's bring in Bay County. Bay County, Mr. Redfern?
Your Honor, it's right here.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's right here. I don't know who.
all right. People versus Redfern on 234375.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jane Wainwright on behalf of the people. And good morning, Your Honor. I'm Lady on behalf of Mr. Stephen Redfern, who stands to my left in the jury box.
All right, and what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I have spoken with Ms. Wainwright. We have come to a plea deal. Your Honor, count one would be amended to use without the double penalty. And count two would be pled guilty as charged driving without a license. Your Honor, he is incarcerated in the Bay County Jail until March of 2025. And so Ms. Wainwright, we were hoping for immediate sentencing recommendation of 180 days. That would have him there through roughly the middle of January. We just asked that run concurrent with his Bay County sentence. He is in Pier 360 at Bay County. He's with Sacred Heart. He is clean, Your Honor. He's looking to clean up all of his issues, so when he gets out, he can start to live there.
Mr. Redfern, that's your understanding as well?
It is, Your Honor.
Have any threats or promises been made to you in your plea of guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Entering your plea based on your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you were given advice of rights, understand you waive them all, including the right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So then on about 4/6, let's first start, you're over on, over near Zilwaukee somewhere. Zilwaukee Township, County of Saginaw, State of Michigan, on Bay City Road, near the Zilwaukee Bridge, operating a motor vehicle on a public road without a license.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And then were you also in possession, or did you have to use cocaine about that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything further in taking the pleas?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
All right, court accept plea of guilty. How long has he been in?
He's been in, Your Honor, since April of 2020, April 26th.
Time served.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Gentleman from Bay County Jail, your name?
Sean Palmer.
And it doesn't show an attorney on this one. Please 2594.
Yes.
Mr. Taylor, what case are you here on?
I'm here on Kendra Fife.
That's 3311.
And where is Ms. Fife? Wait a minute.
Not here, hasn't checked in.
She's logged in on the, I'm not sure if she has her name up, but she's in the waiting room, she said.
Okay, I do have someone listed as. There, Ms. Fife? There, you'll have done.
Yes,
In the matter of people versus Fife on 203311, appearances for the record. On behalf of the Attorney General's office.
I don't see anyone.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Jeff Taylor, appearing on behalf of Ms. Fife.
On behalf of the
Judge, I'm having a little trouble picking up the audio, but Judge, I obviously have just filed an appearance, but I obviously don't have discovery yet. We were going to be requesting to adjourn the PCC until I get a chance to review discovery and go from there.
Let me do this. Here, I got it. One of the hearings in the waiting room. I don't have the Attorney General's office here, so what I'm just gonna do, if it's all right, Mr. Taylor, is, you haven't talked to, Miss, I forget her name,
Brenner.
Brenner?
No, I've not, Judge.
All right. I believe she's the one that handles these cases.
Okay.
I think what I'll just do is, we'll just carry on to the first, if it's all right. Still allowing to Zoom. No need to be in person. And
Okay.
I just want to just see if she can be here.
Yeah, and Judge, by the way, I'm not sure if there's other background noise, but having a hard time picking you up. You indicated that you're going to carry it over until next week. I couldn't hear.
The 31st.
31st.
Yes. So no need to be here. We're just going to treat it as another probable cause conference.
Okay.
And, but since the Attorney General's office isn't here, I'll give him another shot to be here. So just to make sure everything's on course.
Okay. At 9 o'clock on July 31st.
9:45, I believe it is.
9:45. Okay. Thank you, Judge. We appreciate you.
No problem. Take care, Mr. Taylor. And Ms. Fife.
You too.
okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah.
Be blessed, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
bye-bye.
I'm not sure when you're right to say, I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you. Thank you.
Shoot, I didn't mean to submit a report on this. Okay, let's see. SMMT hearings room 1. I just brought you in from the waiting room. Anybody?
Really, I'm young, I didn't notice much of the difference, other than the fact that the anxiety, I feel like I can manage with
Sean Palmer?
Yes, that's him.
the transition of some things here. And that's
Case is 2594 today.
Who's Whitcock? Zachary Whitcock?
That's Mr. Evans' client.
Okay, he's coming. Yeah. All right. Who do I have from Corrections Department? Let's go SRF.
Brock
Crane.
Crane, yeah, Prain.
And the matter of People versus Crane, 243187. Anyone here on his behalf? No?
I'm ready.
For the record.
Your Honor, Jane Wainwright, for people.
Mr. Crane, has anyone talked to you from the Office of Assigned Counsel?
No, sir, I had my arraignment last week and I spoke to counsel then, but not my personal counsel, so I'm waiting for my personal counsel to reach out to me.
All right. Were you hiring a lawyer or you are
Yes.
appointed? No. I see. All right, Mr. Crane. You're all set today. We'll see. First, hopefully you have a lawyer by then.
Okay.
I'll take it over to my
I'm good then, Your Honor.
What's that?
I'm all good then, Your Honor.
Yes, you are, sir. Have a good day. Be safe.
Thank you, you too.
All right. Next, sir, in the SMNT hearings, one room, your name? Yes, you, your name.
Jennifer,
What's the name?
Senator.
Howard Jennifer,
Slosky.
3144, sir.
I don't have it.
3144 FY. I thought I did this one.
Here it is. Here it is. Ms. Lomsky,
Yes.
in the matter of People versus Shenevert on 233144, appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jane Wainwright, on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Patricia Slonsky appearing on behalf of Mr. Shenberg, who's appearing by way of Zoom. Today is the day time for a pre-exam conference. I was just appointed, this is a late assignment. I guess our office received it late from the OIC. In any event, I don't have discovery or any materials. I'd like Mr. Shenevert to know that I'm setting the matter for preliminary examination. He's currently located in Jackson. I will see him with the discovery materials, and we will be able to discuss it before the hearing.
You're just going to continue the preliminary exam?
At this point, yes.
All right, we'll get that set. Mr. Shenevert, in case you didn't hear because of our audio, Ms. Lonsky said she'll reach out to you. She has to get discovery. She was just recently appointed. And so we're going to continue on to a preliminary exam.
It's set on 7/29.
Set on 7/29
3:15.
at 3:15. So I guess we'll see you then.
Okay,
All right. Take care, sir. Be
Thank
well.
you very much.
thank you, you too.
And are you Palmer, Sean Palmer?
Yes, I am.
All right. People versus Palmer, 242594. I have no attorney appointed for you. Have you talked to Office of Assigned Counsel at all?
No, I have not.
All right. Appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jane Wainwright, on behalf of the people.
All right. So we'll call off witnesses. I'll find good cause. How long are you in Bay County for, Mr. Palmer?
Here until the 25th of this month.
And then where are you going?
I believe the Saginaw.
All right. Well, why don't we do this? Let's get off, I'm gonna get Office of Assigned Counsel. Put your file over there so you can get a lawyer appointed as soon as possible. Are we able to maybe set another pre-exam conference in before he leaves? And we're gonna set a probable cause conference on the 24th. If you could make sure that the prosecutor's office prepares a writ for that.
Okay,
And because I,
we
since
can do
he's
it at 1:30 on the 24th.
at 1:30. 24 at 1:30. Okay. So hopefully we'll have an attorney for you by then, Mr. Palmer, and then we can address whatever issues. I want to do that before you're released, so you're not, everything's not all messed up. All right. You're all set.
Thank you.
See you on 24th.
Yep.
Mr. Evans, are you ready?
Yes.
People versus Whitcup on 243792. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jane Wainwright, on behalf of the people.
Morning, Your Honor. May it please the sound of the court, Matthew Evans on behalf of Mr. Whitcup, who is present to my left. At this time, we're demanding a right to preliminary examination.
I have that set on July 31st at 9:45. That date's still gonna work?
Yes.
So forth? All right. And
Has
any,
this been referred to pretrial services?
I'm not sure if it has.
If it hasn't, if we could have it referred.
Judge Clark set a 10% bond.
I believe that's correct.
Any preliminary or any issues that I need to be made aware of? Preparation for the hearing?
I did receive discovery yesterday, so I think we're all set. If there's any issues, I'll deal with this.
All right then. And then, about how long will the exam take?
Well, given the nature of the charges, Judge, it might be a couple of witnesses and depending on certain things, video evidence.
Is it going to go? I guess my question.
Well, we just begun discussions about possible resolution.
All right.
So that may change.
Okay.
I would imagine if we had to hold this exam, I would say 45 minutes too.
Thank you. Appreciate that. All right. And we'll continue on to the 31st. Anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bond continued.
Jeremy was here.
Yeah, I should have called this case. This client in jail?
They say it's county jail.